Hello dear children, welcome back to our social science class. I hope you all are keeping textbook with you and mark the important points. Let us start. I have reached the point where I hardly care whether live or die. She wrote on February 3rd, 1944. She continued, the world will keep on turning without me, and I can't do anything to change events anyway. From these diary quotes of Anne Frank, we could understand the assault and the cruelty of the Nazi rule under the most cruel dictator of Germany known as Adolf Hitler. Let us listen the words of German pastor Martin Niemöller. First they came for the communists, and I did not speak out because I was not a communist. Then they came for the socialists, and I did not speak out because I was not a socialist. Then they came for the trade unionists, and I did not speak out because I was not a trade unionist. Then they came for the Jews, and I did not speak out because I was not a Jew. Then they came for me, and there was no one left to speak out for me. From these, we could understand how did Hitler treated German people. And one more thing we have to understand from this, like we people, German people also never cared about the fellow being. Let us see the factors that helped the Adolf Hitler, the leader of Nazi party, come to power in Germany. Last class we have seen fascism, which was established in Italy by Benito Mussolini. Really, Nazism in Germany was the German version of fascism. We can list out the circumstances. What existed in Germany helped Hitler to capture the power. First point, the Treaty of Versailles imposed by the victorious Allies on Germany after the First World War. We already know Britain, France, Russia-like countries could achieve success. Then, economic destruction and inflation. The word inflation means increase in prices and fall in the purchasing value of money. Increase in prices and fall in the purchasing value of money. Third one, failure of German government and resultant political uncertainty. There was no leader properly in Germany. So these were the main factors that helped the most notorious ruler Hitler to get power in Germany. Not only that, some of his personal abilities also helped him to capture power. What were they? His oratory skills and organizational abilities easily succeeded in gaining popular support. Or in other words, by his nice, attractive speeches, Hitler attracted many Germans. Oratory skill means skill of eloquence in public speaking. Skill of eloquence in public speaking. And he dismissed the government and captured power. I think you are marking the important points in the textbook. Factors that helped Hitler, the leader of Nazi party, come to power in Germany. What were the features of Hitler's rule in Germany? Socialists, communists, Jews and Democrats were executed. Executed means killed. Hitler held the view that Jews were responsible for Germany's ruin and humiliation. Ruin means destruction. Humiliation means disgrace. Or in other words, what all the calamities that suffered by Germany in the First World War happened because of the Jewish people according to Hitler. So, Jews were massacred in specially built concentration camps. The word Amaze means together, all together. That means Jews, in large number of Jews were killed together in concentration camps. This is known as the Holocaust. Jews were massacred in specially built concentration camps known as Holocaust. We can see more steps taken by the cruel dictator to establish his strength in Germany. He established or he created a military force known as Brown Shirts. Not only that, a secret police troop called Gestapo formed. What was the aim of this? Gestapo were in charge of assaulting and massacring the Jews. To oppose the Jews, he formed a secret police troop called Gestapo. And very wonderful thing we are to see in here, he believed in racial supremacy. So, Hitler projected the purity of the Aryan race, and Aryans should rule the world. That was his argument. Hitler believed in racial supremacy, so he argued that Aryans should rule the world, or other words we can say Germans should rule the world. And he defied the Aryan ancestry of the Germans. He believed in Aryan supremacy, so he believed Germans are Aryans. So he defied here means regard as God. Regard as God here means he considered Germans as supreme. The next point we could see, all other political parties except the Nazis were banned. Banned means prohibited. Trade unions also were banned. Many points are there, but we can repeat some points. Military force, Brown Shirt and secret police troop, Gestapo, formed. Hitler projected the purity of Aryan race and argued that Aryans should rule the world. He defied the Aryans' ancestry of the Germans, and he banned all the political parties except the Nazis. Trade unions also were banned. Military service was made compulsory. Hitler incited or created a spirit of revenge or enmity among the Germans against the terms of the Treaty of Versailles. He used newspapers, radio, cinema and education system to propagate or spread the ideologies of Nazism. Hitler followed or adopted an aggressive foreign policy. Like the First World War, before the Second World War, we could see Germany made alliance with Italy and Japan. Then Hitler attacked countries like Austria and Czechoslovakia. Ultimately, this led to the outbreak of another war or Second World War. Let us repeat the policies adopted by Adolf Hitler, the most cruel dictator of Germany, to strengthen his power in Germany. He dismissed the government and captured power. After that, he followed the policies such as socialists, communists, Jews and Democrats were executed. Then, according to him, Jews were responsible for Germany's ruin and humiliation, so he followed the policy known as Holocaust to kill the Jews in large number. Thirdly, he established a military force known as Brown Shirt and a secret police troop called Gestapo. They also were in charge of assaulting and massacring the Jews. Hitler projected the purity of the Aryan race and argued that Aryans should rule the world. That means German Aryan ancestry of the Germans he glorified. Then next point, except the Nazi party, all other political parties were banned or restricted. Trade unions also were banned. Then military service was made compulsory. Hitler created the spirit of revenge among the Germans against the terms of the Treaty of Versailles. Not only that, he used newspapers, radio, cinema, and education system to propagate the ideologies of the Nazism. Then he made a feeling of revenge among the Germans using all this, and he followed aggressive foreign policy. Chembagaraman Pillai was a Malayali activist and revolutionary who had the privilege of being the only foreign member in Pan-German Nationalist Party. When did he raise his voice against the Hitler, or he opposed the views of Hitler and Nazi party, he became their enemy. His assets or properties were confiscated, and it is reported that the Nazis, under orders from Hitler, killed Chembagaraman Pillai. Really, Chembagaraman Pillai was the freedom fighter until his death. He was the foreign minister of the Provisional Government of India, set up in Kabul under Raja Mahendra Pratap. Ideologies put forth by both the fascist and Nazist had similarities. We can make a comparative study. Ideology. First one, purity of race. Fascists want to restore ancient Roman Empire. Nazis projected the purity of Aryan race. Then, about the destruction of political rivals, enemies. In the fascism or Italy, we could see socialists and leaders of peasants and workers were proclaimed as the enemies of the nation. Those who opposed the fascist party were executed. Here in Germany, we could see socialist, communist, Jews and Democrats were executed. Both of them followed military dictatorship. We could see Germany, Mussolini established black shirts to suppress the opponents. In Germany, military force known as brown shirt and secret police troop called Gestapo were formed to kill the Jews. Diffusion or spread of aggressive nationalism, both the nations followed, or both leaders followed. Using that, Italy under Mussolini conquered Ethiopia and Albania. Germany, Hitler attacked Austria and Czechoslovakia. Like this, more similarities you could see about Nazist and Fascist. Study the main points with the help of the textbook and video, and do this assignment. How did fascism in Italy and Nazism in Germany defy the world peace? Prepare a seminar paper. I think you all are doing the portions very well. Continue it. Okay. Thank you.